how to connect Supabase to Emergent AI. Open up Emergent AI, then load up the project which you want to connect to Supabase, and first give it this prompt, connect Supabase. Now it's going to ask us what we want to do. So here I'll just type both. So we add the database and authentication, and I will type I have my project URL and anon key. And you want to send this to Emergent AI. Now, while we wait here, you will go to Supabase, and now you want to find the project which you are trying to open. And here, if you scroll or hover over the plug, then you can copy the project URL. So we're going to copy it. Okay, so here we will need to paste it. So transaction port connection port, not direct connection. Okay, so now it's going to ask for the transaction pool URI. So go into Supabase, like I said, open up your project, click on connect. Now you will change this to direct and choose transaction pool. Now right here, make sure the type is URI and you will get this. So this is going to be the connection string. So right click, copy it, and then you will paste it. So the first one, we type 1 and we paste the connection string. Then we type 2, and now the project URL, the front end. Okay, so we are gonna go back into Supabase, now the project URL which we copied, so we're gonna copy it again, and we're just gonna paste the URL, and also public key or front end. So right here you will see the public key, or actually what we have to do is hover over here to the left, or go to the left, click on project settings, then API keys, legacy anon, and it's going to be your anon key which is public. So copy it and then give it to Emergent AI, and you want to send it. Now once you have sent it, it's going to think for a little bit and it's going to begin integrating Supabase. So we'll see what it managed to come up with. Okay, so the only thing that we need to fix is this, your password, the one that we got here from transaction pool. It's asking for your password, so you will provide your database's password right here. So you will just type it, the agent is gonna ask for it, and afterwards that is going to integrate Supabase into Emergent AI, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.